this video, we are going to cover the 8 challenges which group housing builders are facing while using timber door frames and which is forcing them to look out for a substitute. अगर आप डोर फ्रेम्स के लिए रिसर्च कर रहे हैं और आप कंफ्यूज्ड हैं कि कौन सा ऐसा प्रोडक्ट है जो मेरी एग्जिस्टिंग पेन्स को बिल्कुल रूट से दूर कर दे, तो आप बिल्कुल सही जगह पे हैं। मैं हूं अंकुर और पिछले 8 सालों में 317 नेशंस बेस्ट बिल्डर्स ने हम पे ट्रस्ट किया है एंड वी हेल्प देम टू मेक green, water and termite proof homes, and we have made their research cheaper, better and faster by 3x. So the first point is standardization and quality of timber. And after a research done with India's one of the top largest builder, the name of which I cannot say, but yes, they were troubled. They were actually troubled with the standardization issues, which they were facing in the quality of the timber, even in the same species. It's not like the different species, but in the same species, they were facing a lot of problems. Because of why? Because of the second point, because of the non-engineered product. Definitely, yes. A timber being a non-engineered product, the density which is there, it's not the same. So even in the same log, the density is not same. So even the same species wood is supplied of a same section, but density sabki alag hai. Definitely, and that is a very, very big challenge. And the third most important is the cracks, bending, warpage issues, which definitely do come a lot, in timber. And the fourth most important point is the plastering time. Definitely, that is something which is really a big pain, right? And I can understand that. क्योंकि जब प्लास्टरिंग हो रही होती है तो डेफिनेटली वाटर सिक्योरिंग होती है, और जब उस वाटर सिक्योरिंग हो रही होती है तो टिम्बर फ्रेम्स जो कि एक नेचर प्रोडक्ट है, तो डेफिनेटली एंड इट एब्जॉर्ब्स अ लॉट ऑफ मॉइस्चर, तो अल्टीमेटली इट इफेक्ट्स द लाइफ स्पैन of the timber door frames, and that is a very big problem. या तो आप क्योरिंग कर सकते हैं या आप टिम्बर के डोर फ्रेम्स लगा के उनको नहीं छोड़ सकते. So they are literally, there are a lot of issues which are always there at the back of their mind. And the fifth important point is wastages ranging from 5% to 9%, and that's not what I think. We've done a research again over last 8 to 10 months from different builders, from small to large, from bottom to top builder, and we have understood their pain that yes, there are at least 4 to 5% to 9% wastages, at the entire project lifespan, and which they have to eventually throw and just use it for burning instead of using that precious timber which was earlier used for a door frame application, but now at the end of the project they have to use it for burning. Oh my god, feels really pitiable. And the sixth major point is the paint or the surface treatment, and that is also a very, very important point because on timber it is mandatory. There is no scope, right? Have you ever used a timber which you have kept it, without painting it? Never. So even if it's pre-laminated, yes, leaving that apart, but yes, the 98% in our Indian economy, the group housing builders are majorly using the timber, and that has to be painted again, right? So definitely that invests a lot of time and a lot of money, and the project sometimes even gets delayed just because of the paint or the surface treatment issue. And the next major point is expansion contraction. And since the moisture content in the timber in itself is close to say about 8 to 12% depending on the species of the wood, so ultimately the corners, the joints which are there, खुल जाते हैं after a certain amount of time, right? And I understand, I've practically seen myself also visiting a lot of times on these sites, and that creates a lot of problem in the end. After the possessions are given up, and the frames are getting loosened up, it creates a big hell of a problem for a group housing builder, and I can understand. And last but not the least, the major important point is delayed in deliveries and delay in possession because of few additional steps, like first you have to season the timber, and then you have to do the riveting, and then after that more manufacturing time, more time to treat its surface, and all these processes lead to delay in deliveries and giving the possession to your valuable customer. Am I right? So I hope that all these 8 points, all these 8 challenges really are heavy on our heart, and I can understand the pain which a group housing builder has to undergo just because these challenges are inevitable. Am I right? Inevitable when you are using timber in the door frames. And if you have any other challenge which I have not covered, I would love to listen. So just write your comment, and we would love to listen from you. And also, if you are the one who's facing all these challenges and you can correlate and resonate with us pretty well, then we have a solution for you. And just log on to the link below, give us your details, and we will definitely fix up with the right solution. And my friends who are group housing builders or other builders as well, I would love to listen. If there's any point which I have forgotten to cover other than these 8 challenges you may be facing, right? So I would love to listen from you. Just put in your comment below, and also if you resonate with any of these challenges or all of these challenges, then we have a solution for you. Just give us your details and our team will definitely fix up a right solution, understanding your pain area, and serve you with the best value added solution for you. Thank you. Please do like the video if you feel that it has added a value to your life, and also share with more and more people so that you can help us in achieving our mission and spread this knowledge. And last but not the least, please do give your valuable feedback in the comment box so that those comments will serve as a precious feedback to us, and we will know which videos to serve you the next time. Thank you.